Here's a pair of Beats Solo Pro headphones. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Hisense 4K smart Google TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your TV. You can click on the settings or gear button on your remote, or if you just go directly to the home page here, just navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. So I'll just go this way. Let me navigate all the way over. Right there. Then once you're here, click on OK again, because you can see that the settings is highlighted. Click on OK. The left pane here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Click on OK on the remote. Make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down to pair accessory right there. Click on OK, and now it's searching for devices that are in pairing mode that is near me. So now we got to put this in a pairing mode. Okay, so these are currently off. Okay, so let me open these up. Just really quickly, you can see that these are on now, but if you close one of these or both of them, it turns off. Okay, let me turn it back on. Now let me just get it into pairing mode now. What you want is a white blinking light. Okay, all right, mine's not blinking white, it's probably connected to another device. Let me put this in pairing mode. So I got that one button over here. Let me press and hold this until it starts blinking white. I'll hold it for like 7 seconds or so. Okay, there we go. Now it's blinking white. And now just give it a second. Hopefully it finds it here. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to refresh the search again. Okay. Come on. Okay, I think it's taking too long. Let me just click on the back button on the remote. Oh, never mind. There we go. Solo Pro just showed up right there. Let me go down. Solo Pro right there. Highlight it. Click on OK on the remote. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request here shortly. There's a pairing request right there. Make sure pair is highlighted right there. Click on OK on the remote. It says connecting paired. Solo Pro connected down there. And then we'll know that it's connected when it says connected. You can see down here under Solo Pro, it says connected. So we're connected, this is ready to go. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't pair or connect this or had some kind of connecting issues, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the description below. All right, good luck.